Ted here from Gallop. Our brushes are built stronger to spin longer. Let's get to installing.
Hi everyone, Michael here at Gallop Brush, and today we're going to talk about unboxing and installation of your brushes and why we package them the way that we do to make installation easier on you.
The parts on top are the first thing you need to load for easy installation. All parts will be wrapped and labeled.
So no matter what size of brush or color you're installing, once you've followed your loading instructions, all you need to do is add your core cover and you're ready to start washing.
Subscribe to our channel, and when you think car wash brushes, give Gallop a spin.
Only Gallop.
Only Gallop.
Only Gallop.
Only Gallop.